So guys, we've done the physical lifting and everything of the spare wheel assembly for the Subaru Solterra. Two things you'll need to do, we'll need to get in the car and turn a couple of the safety functions off. So as you can see, this slightly does block your rear camera. Your cameras still work. I've driven the car, you can still see. Sensors will still work, but we need to turn them off. So they will work partially. You still have a 360 sensor camera around. So we'll jump in the car, I'll show you two items you've got to turn off, and then you can drive away. So we'll jump in the car. So we'll jump in the car, push our foot on the brake, we'll press the power. Being an electric car, we've got no noise, so we've just got to wait for the screen to upload. Once the screen uploads, we'll go through the sequence. So basically we press, oops, sorry about the music. I'll just turn that down a little bit. Hit continue. So what we need on the dash, we'll just get that rear door closed if you don't mind. Thank you, perfectly. You'll see this scroll across. What we need is a menu up. So for the menu up, simply push the back button. We'll just find, we're finding the menu there. It was up there a second ago. We need to find the settings of the car, which is right here. So you see, just like on your phone, sorry, we've got the settings. We just need to use the arrows to scroll across. We've got here, we need to turn our parking sensors off. So because we've got a tow bar on the back, it's going to keep on saying there's something behind us. So we need to turn those off. Need to scroll across again. And here's your other parking sensor we need to turn off. So parking support braking. So that's for your reverse braking. So you still, you won't have reverse braking now with the tow bar assembly, but you still do have your camera. You still do have all your camera facilities. So if we go in reverse, we can see there. So it's detecting there is an item there, which obviously there is, being the spare wheel assembly. You still have good vision. You can start reversing. So we will even start reversing, even though there's a wall behind us. We will start reversing. You can see the 3D image is moving of our car, but it will not allow us to reverse. So it will stop us at some stage. Okay, it won't keep on going, but it will stop us at some stage. So just a reminder, you need to turn those off, guys, once you have that spare wheel assembly. But as you can see, we've still got a decent view, even if we go in reverse. We can still see around, and you see that 360 camera kind of mostly works. So. Okay, yes, it does hamper us a little bit, but again, this has come from Subaru Australia and Subaru Japan. So if you do need this assembly put, this is how it's come. So any other questions, again, guys, please feel free, give me a call and everything. So we'll put the thing back in park, and then we're off. Now you will still have all those displays, so we can just simply get rid of those by pushing the back button. And then we're back to our normal display for the Subaru Solterra. You will always have those on, so we've turned those facilities off. Obviously, when you take that back off, guys, a simple, again, we go back, main screen, we hit OK, back on, we put that rear sensors on, keep on scrolling across, and we activate the other one. See that icon's gone off, and now we're in normal drive mode. So if you're taking that off, that's how you do it once that spare wheel's not there, guys. So again, any questions, feel free. Thanks very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe.